Good morning, everybody from Phuket, Thailand. Zeekman here. I just wanted to do a quick little walkthrough of the accommodations I had here in Phuket. Everyone always asks me, how do you travel? How do you afford to travel? Where do you go? How do you get good deals? You just gotta look. I booked this on Agoda, the app Agoda. And this is the Ongsa House. It's right here in Phuket. It's just right off the main street. And this was a one-bedroom bath apartment with TV, aircon, the whole deal. And it was only for $18 a night, believe it or not. So here, let's check it out here. So as you can see, you're in a pretty rural neighborhood. You're surrounded by locals, cats, roosters. It's got a nice little parking area. You can rent this motorbike. Here's the office. Swadee Cup. And then here's Ongsa House. So there's 8 rooms, all separate. Nice little seating areas. The pool is kept nice and clean. They maintain it every day. And the grounds are kept up very nicely. Let's see what's going on. So this is my room right here, number 6, lucky number 6. And this is what we have. So as you can see, some simple accommodations here. We've got some overhead lights that work well. Got some nice Edison bulbs for reading in the corner if that's what you would like to do. Aircon works very well. And then you have your free waters, your coffee, little fridge, sitting area. And then your typical Thai shower. So you have some place to hang some clothes. And then the wet shower, just like the Thais like it. Hot water, shower, bathroom, sink. And just very simple accommodations. And this was only $18 a night. How can you go wrong? I was here for 5 nights. So it was just about under $100. So you can do it. You can find good spots, and enjoy your travels. Oh, and I forgot to mention there is Wi-Fi, which was super fast, worked excellent, no problems at all. So it's a good stay. I do have to say I had one little problem. The aircon wasn't working when I got in here, but I went right to the office, and then within an hour it was fixed. So they're very responsive to any of your needs that you have here at Ongsa House in Phuket, Thailand. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys later.